Today, I'm absolutely thrilled to unveil our thinnest ThinkPad ever, the all-new X1 Titanium Yoga. Here are some highlights. It's designed around a gorgeous 13.5 3x2 aspect ratio display. This display is key as it allows us to build a tablet-optimized form factor, roughly the size of an 8.5 by 11 or A4 paper. We built this super thin and light, so as you carry and fold it, you're not penalized with the weight and thickness. It's just over 11 millimeters thin and is wrapped in a stunning silver titanium material for a very modern and stylish look. It's also designed for work from anywhere, learn from anywhere experiences, dialing up the connectivity with LTE and 5G options, Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision support for fantastic audio and video, and finally conference-type optimized microphones for better collaboration. But that's enough from me. Take a look at the video, and I'm sure you'll agree that the X1 Titanium Yoga is a stunning laptop.